So the market itself is de facto discounting 45% earnings growth this year, which has happened in the past. It's not a zero event. It's happened 3% at the time in the past. So call it a 1 in 30 event. But when you normally get a 45% earnings boom in a year, you're typically coming out of recession, let alone a soft landing, let alone possibly or probably heading into recession. So this market is, you got the analysts saying we're going to have a soft landing that's going to generate 11% growth in earnings. The stock market's saying how it's priced, never mind soft landing. The stock market's priced for an unremittent economic boom. So there you have it. Will a recession upset the apple cart? Of course it will. Again, under the premise that it actually happens. Like I said, it didn't happen last year in the most traditional sense, looking at GDP. And those other metrics I mentioned were flat. They weren't negative. However, you go from positive to flat. There's still the policy lags to kick in. Where do you go next? So I think that a recession is still my base case scenario. I'm not throwing in the towel, because if I threw in the towel in 2007, I would have looked like an idiot. And a lot of my counterparts on Wall Street look like idiots. People just tend to forget. And of course, if so long as you toe the line and, if you're a bear in a bull market, you'll be forgiven. I mean, if you're a bear in a bull market, you won't be forgiven. But you're a bull in a bear market, that's fine. Because these are the things people don't want to talk about. They don't want to think about. But if you're managing money for other people, you have a fiduciary responsibility to have a good idea as to where you are in the business cycle.